Hi, my name is Cristina Starr, and I wanted to share a little bit about my experience with Cydomedia. I reached out to them because I needed a website for my company. I am an integrative health coach and energy medicine practitioner. Now, the way we started was by me sharing my logo and a small project board with colors and images that had inspired that logo. And what was incredible is that Daniel and his team ran with that, not even having a lot of information on exactly what I do, but they sent me a home page that was absolutely beautiful. I was so impressed and surprised. They designed something that had elements that I hadn't even thought of. It was way more than I had expected, so I was pleasantly surprised. And once I sent them feedback on moving a few items and sent some questions, Daniel was quick to respond and quick to make the changes, which I was very grateful for. And at the same time, he was very patient because it always took me a few days to get my ideas together and get my information on paper and being able to send it to him. And I am so happy with the end result. They really did work quickly, efficiently, and they were very consistent with the design that they created for my website. So thank you, Cydomedia, and thank you, Daniel, for such a great job.